Are you interested in getting into cryptocurrency but feeling lost? In today's video, we'll cover safe ways for beginners to get started. From choosing reliable platforms to protecting your investments, you'll learn the basics to make smart, secure moves in crypto. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll share helpful tips from an expert and spotlight some popular cryptocurrencies that might be worth your attention. Let's start with Step 1. Learn the basics. Before getting involved with cryptocurrency, it's really important to spend some time learning how it works. Cryptocurrency can be confusing, so understanding the basics will help you make better choices and avoid mistakes. There's a lot of information available online, but make sure you're using trusted sources. Look for easy-to-understand websites, YouTube channels, and blogs that offer up-to-date information. Start by getting familiar with key terms like blockchain, wallets, exchanges, and decentralized finance, DeFi. Blockchain is a system that records all cryptocurrency transactions, while wallets are tools you use to store your cryptocurrency safely. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, or trade different digital currencies. DeFi refers to financial services that don't rely on traditional banks. Understanding these terms is a big first step toward feeling confident in the world of cryptocurrency. Step 2. Choosing a safe and reliable place to buy cryptocurrency. After you understand the basics of cryptocurrency, the next important step is to choose a secure place to buy, sell, and trade it. This is where a cryptocurrency exchange comes in, a platform where you can buy and sell digital coins. Since real money is involved, it's important to choose carefully to keep your funds safe. First, look for an exchange with a strong reputation. Well-known exchanges that have been around for a while and have positive user reviews are more likely to be trustworthy and dependable. Next, make sure the exchange has strong security features. Cryptocurrency exchanges can sometimes face hacking attempts, so choose one that offers tools like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and stores most of its funds offline, often called cold storage, to protect against theft. Finally, pick an exchange that's easy to use. A good exchange should have simple, clear tools and resources for beginners. Many also provide tutorials, guides, and customer support to help you along the way. By choosing a safe, reliable, and user-friendly exchange, you set yourself up for a smoother experience and better protect your money. When choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, prioritize security and reliability. Coinbase is beginner-friendly, with an easy-to-use interface and strong security. Binance offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced features, ideal for experienced traders. Kraken is known for its regulatory compliance and rigorous security. Look for exchanges with two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage to protect against hacking, ensuring your assets are well protected. Step 3. Secure your investment with a wallet. Once you've purchased cryptocurrency, the next crucial step is securing your investment with a reliable wallet. While cryptocurrency exchanges typically provide built-in wallets for users to store their digital assets, relying solely on these platforms can expose you to potential risks. By transferring your crypto to a personal wallet, you gain full control over your funds and enhance your overall security. When securing your cryptocurrency, it's essential to understand the two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are internet connected, making them convenient for frequent trading, but more vulnerable to hacking. They come in forms such as mobile apps and web-based wallets, allowing quick access to your funds. In contrast, cold wallets like hardware and paper wallets are offline and provide superior security for long-term storage, protecting your assets from cyber threats. While hot wallets are suitable for beginners and active traders, transitioning to a cold wallet is advisable for those looking to hold their investments securely over time. Step 4. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be exciting, but it also comes with big risks due to their wild price swings. The value of cryptocurrencies can change dramatically in just a short time, which means you could make a lot of money or lose a lot. That's why it's important to only invest money that you can afford to lose. This rule helps protect your finances and keeps you from feeling stressed about money. To manage these risks wisely, start with a small investment. This way, you can learn how the cryptocurrency market works without putting your whole financial future at risk. As you become more comfortable and confident in your understanding, you can think about investing more. Remember, investing isn't a race, it takes time and careful thought. By sticking to this advice, you can explore the potential rewards of cryptocurrency while keeping your finances safe. Lastly, we have step 5. Choose reliable cryptocurrencies. One of the most critical decisions is selecting which coins to invest in. With thousands of options available, it can be overwhelming. However, sticking to established cryptocurrencies with proven track records can help minimize risk and build confidence. Here are 3 reliable coins to consider. Bitcoin is the first and most recognized cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It has the largest market capitalization, often exceeding $400 billion, and is widely accepted for transactions worldwide. Many view Bitcoin as a digital store of value, similar to gold, making it a safe bet for new investors. Its extensive network and strong security measures contribute to its reliability. Next is Ethereum, launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, is more than just a digital currency. It's a platform for decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. As the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum allows for trustless transactions and automates various processes across industries. Its versatility and growing adoption position it as a compelling choice for those interested in innovative technology. Launched by Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance Coin (BNB) has rapidly gained popularity. Initially created as a utility token for trading on the Binance platform, BNB now serves various functions, including paying transaction fees and participating in token sales. Its strong performance and Binance's reputation for security make it an attractive option for investors. The platform also burns BNB tokens to reduce supply, potentially increasing its value. These 3 cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin, offer a solid foundation for new investors. They have built trust within the crypto community and demonstrate resilience in the market. As you explore digital currencies, conduct thorough research, and stay informed about market trends to enhance your investment experience. Now, we have Mark Cuban, the billionaire entrepreneur and owner of the Dallas Mavericks, is a strong advocate for smart cryptocurrency investing. He emphasizes the importance of understanding the technology behind cryptocurrencies and advises new investors to educate themselves before jumping in. Cuban diversifies his investments across several digital coins, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, to manage risk. He often reminds people to only invest what they can afford to lose, highlighting the need for caution in the volatile crypto market. By staying involved in the crypto community and sharing his insights, he sets a great example for beginners looking to invest safely. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who want to learn about cryptocurrency. Investing can be exciting, and with the right tips, you can do it safely. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful advice on your financial journey. For more money-growing strategies, check out our next video, Top 5 Mutual Funds for Consistent Returns in 2024, Low-Risk Options. Keep learning and see you next time.